You don't know how you met me, you don't know why. You can't turn around and say goodbye. All you know is when I'm with you, I make you free. You swim through your veins like a fish in the sea. I'm singing, follow me, everything is alright. I'll be the one to tuck you in at night. And if you wanna leave, I can guarantee you won't find nobody else like me.
I'm not sure what video this is going in, but I'm here at Silverado with Spencer Barrian, and we're just gonna get a session in.
Hey man, please get out of the way, you know?
We're gonna chill because my ankle's getting a little sore. I'm pushing it. Look at the party we have inside the apartment.
It's a sleepover.
That's a hole. Ow!
I had to throw the hood up because there's no beanie on, and this is like, you can't see me without a beanie, it's too exclusive.
How people say that like other people are funnier on other people's channels. Am I bitter? Yes. But let's talk about it. Because
He said not really.
yeah, well you're just on your phone.
Because I'm on my channel, channel.
Yeah, but on other people's
driving too, mother.
Pointing the camera to everyone else.
drinking
Okay.
and
All
driving.
right. Yeah, he's pretty funny. I know this video's all over the place, but so for the last like week, my lower back has been giving me some kind of weird, strange pain. It's not too severe. Actually, I don't know what it is. I actually have no idea because I feel like it might be my kidneys. So I think I either have a UTI or like kidney stones or something. I'm going to urgent care right now just to see like what's up with it. The lower back's been going on for like a little over a week, so it's kind of freaking me out.
Do you write your insurance information on the piece of paper? Bring it back when you're ready.
Okay, so they said it's about an hour wait, so I'm gonna sit outside and wait. So apparently I can't go to any other urgent care because my insurance is specific to one urgent care and hospital, and that is all the way up in Santa Monica. Is there something on my lens? No. I like signed in and went in there and everything, filled out all the paperwork, and then they called me back and they were like, okay, we don't take your insurance here, so we can't see you. You have to go to UCLA. This video is really starting to just turn into a vlog. I actually had no idea what I was gonna make a video about this time, but I am gonna actually tell you guys a story here in a little bit about how I almost got hit on my motorcycle. Before we do that though, I'm taking these guys, to the dog park. All right, I get a lot of comments about these collars on my dogs, and I wanna show you guys something. So these collars, these prong collars, are for training purposes, and I want you to see something. This is how they work. You do a verbal and then a correction. Hey! And then they learn. See, look, now she's sitting. Joanne stops. Joanne's really responsive with it now. Truffles used to be better, but now I think she's the dominant of the two. So she's a little bit more headstrong, I guess, if you will. Sit. Stay. 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 Come. Actually a method that we learned from the trainer and where we got Truffles from. Pitbull rescue from the trainer. The trainer actually trained wolves. He was training wolves and he taught us this correction method, and it actually works phenomenally. I mean, Truffles still pulls after she gets worn out She doesn't pull as hard because she's looking for squirrels. She loves to chase squirrels up trees. She's always like nose to the ground trying to find them, or cats too. She loves that. And a lot of people, you know, argue that they're inhumane. Harness actually, because people will argue like for you to use a harness on your dog. Where dogs are controlled is by their neck, and it is the strongest part of their body. The leader asserts its dominance. It asserts it through the neck. When wolves, I guess, are puppies. Is that what baby wolves are called, puppies? I don't even know. That's how like the mother would assert her dominance to her pups, is through the neck. They're pack animals, so they enjoy being dominated by a pack leader. They just want to please. They actually enjoy being dominated. Not in a sexual way, just in like a way of like, oh, okay, yes, master, I want to obey you. A harness actually really does nothing for the dog unless you're going on a jog, or like if I'm skating with them, I'll put the harness on Joanne so they don't, you know, hurt their necks, because I mean, that with that kind of force, it could actually hurt them. Hey, we're almost there. Go in, go. All right, you guys ready to go? Let's go. So let's get back to this story about how I almost crashed my bike again. So this is what happened. I was riding my bike. I was actually on my way to a meeting, and I missed the meeting because of this. So I'm behind this white truck. This white truck is turning left, and I'm turning left behind this white truck. Now, there's oncoming traffic on the other side, and the light was yellow for a while. So it was about to turn red. And then as soon as the truck takes a left, I start to take a left because the light was kind of yellow for a while. I see this white car speeding through the light, or she was trying to make it through the light, and she was speeding up. The light had like nearly turned red, and I had to slam on my brakes, and I didn't crash because I wasn't going that fast, but I slammed on my brakes and I dropped the bike and like hobbled off of it. And she had to like slam in her brakes and skirt into the middle of the intersection to avoid hitting me. Thank God she didn't hit me, but she was going like 45 miles an hour through a yellow light. I got really, really pissed. And I was also pissed the fact that I dropped my bike and like did a little bit more of cosmetic damage than was already on my bike. And it was insanely frustrating. And this isn't even the most frustrating part of the story. She starts to kind of drive away, and I was like, no, pull over. And she was like, okay, I will, like putting her hands up, like, okay, I'm going to. She takes off. Nowhere in sight. Like, she just takes off. I pulled my bike off to the side of the road, and she was driving through the intersection slowly. Like, I could see that she was looking for parking, and she just takes off. I didn't have my GoPro on my helmet at that time either. Like, it's always happens when, you know, you don't have the GoPro. I went into all the businesses and asked if they had cameras so I could get her plates, but she caused an accident of me, and I didn't hit her, so I don't know how it would hold up with insurance or with court. She just like left. Didn't even ask if I was okay. It was really frustrating. It was insane. But yeah, riding a motorcycle can be really, really, really fucking scary. Hey, no, people are out to kill you. So I mean, I need to like have my GoPro on at all times, because if I did, I would have gotten her plate, and I could have like found out where she lived and found out all her information and been like, yo, you like, oh my God, I don't know. I was just insanely frustrated. It was the worst. That's it, that's the story. I don't know. I neglected to tell you guys that happened like a week ago. Play it loud, dude. No.
It's all the way up.
Just to get it, dude.
It's like pulling him from Velcro. Hey, watch. What's going on here, Dale? Sumo Sharn.
Ow! Sorry, Lars! That was really tiring, dude. That was a good fight.